welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. You're here already. It's just a tap. So I am super excited. As you can see from the title down below, today we have the October 2019 Walt Life box. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we will get into this unboxing. So Walt Life is a Disney subscription. Yay! What fun. Now I will put a link below if you would like to check out their website. They do have different plans available. They have plans for princes and princesses. So either way, you are covered, and they do have different age groups. Now the box that I have is for a prince, age 10 to 17, because Christopher, he's actually 9, but he's a little bit closer to 10 than 9, so we went with that age group. But like I said, the link will be down below. It is free shipping. Now I have the Magic Plus box, and this box is $48, and you are to receive 1 Disney Parks item, and then 4 or more Disney mystery items. And like I said, you select the gender and the age group. They do have a larger box, the classic box, the magic box, a snack box, a surprise box. Basically, this is a Disney vacation for all budgets. So it's bringing Disney to your door, which is fantastic. So let's get in here and see. Now I actually, it was taped on 2 sides, but I only had to cut one of them because it was like busting at the seams. Like they had this bad boy packed, and I think it is so cute. They have it all done up for Halloween, not so spooky, delivery. So, yep, super cute. So, when we actually open it, this is what we see. So they do even have like it all done up in Halloween inside, and we have squigglies. So let's move some of these. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing right here on top is a lanyard pouch with charm. And this is from Pirates of the Caribbean. So right there you can see, and there's the little charm and anchor. And this actually says Disney Parks, and it's $8.99. So that is cute. All right. And then we have, this is from Funko, and this also looks like a lanyard, like with the actual necklace and then the cover, but it does also have Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas right there. And then, like I said, you can see the actual lanyard. That is cool as well, and definitely appropriate for October and Halloween. And then we have got, also from Funko, this guy. There's squigglies everywhere. Okay. So cute. This is Zero, the little doggy ghost from Nightmare Before Christmas. Adorable. And it does show you here on the back the whole entire collection of the Funko Pops for Nightmare Before Christmas. So obviously there's Jack Skellington, Sally, Oogie Boogie, Mayor, Day of the Dead Jack Skellington, Day of the Dead Sally, Santa Jack Skellington, and obviously Zero. So that is fun. And they do always include a Walt Life bookmark, and this looks like Maleficent here on the back. And they also always include a little puzzle that you can color and take apart. And obviously this is fitting. This is a jack-o'-lantern. Very cute. Then we have some Minnie Mouse Jelly Belly jelly beans. Yum. All right, so they're like the regular flavors, like blueberry blue, blueberry bubblegum, buttered popcorn, tutti frutti, berry cherry, watermelon, peach, cotton candy, raspberry, toasted marshmallow. So it's your normal flavor assortment. And then we have something right here. And this looks like one of those little pins. And I'm honestly not sure who this is. Pretty sure Christopher will probably know. It says Marvel. But that's what it looks like. Is that Hawkeye? I think that might be Hawkeye, because I see the bow and arrow and Marvel, but I'll double check with Christopher. So there's that. And then let's see, it looks like we have one more item in here. Now there is a coin. I mean, it's a paper coin, but you can collect these. And if you spell out Walt Life, if you end up collecting all 8 and spell Walt Life, you win a trip for 2 to Disney, which is awesome. And then we have one more item in here. And I know someone that would enjoy this. There are some squigglies in here. I know someone that would enjoy this for multiple reasons. But this is from the Funko brand as well, Pop. But this is Pop Home. And it is a ceramic coffee mug of Jack Skellington. You guys, how cute. And it says collect them all. So there must be more than just Jack available. That is awesome. I love that. That is adorable. So we have the ceramic coffee mug of Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Put this out the way. We have the Jack Skellington lanyard badge holder. The Pirates of the Caribbean ID holder, or lanyard pouch with charm. The Minnie Mouse Jelly Belly jelly beans. And then, like I said, each box always comes with the bookmark and a puzzle. They just vary on what is on each of them each month. And then we have the Funko Pop of Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. And I know these guys are usually $12 to $15 because Christopher has so many of these Funko Pop bobbleheads. So I think this is awesome. I know that this doesn't have the price on it, but I can guarantee you that this probably cost a pretty penny. So I think this was super cute and definitely so appropriate for October with Halloween, and just fun. It's just a variety of items, and I love how fun this is. So like I said, I'll put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. Again, this is the October 2019 Walt Life unboxing, and again, this was the Magic Plus for a prince aged 10 to 17. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on our channel. So definitely enter if you have not already, the Thrift a Bag giveaway. The link will be down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next unboxing. Bye.